2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, remote engine start, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, hard disk drive media storage, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, CD player, trip computer, rear window defroster, security alarm, fog lamps, tachometer, UCONNECT hands-free group, Sirius satellite radio. Come see the car for yourself.